Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, everyone. How are y'all doing today? How are y'all doing today? Good morning. What's up, Kirk? What's up, Chosen One? What's up, Marina? What's up, SVT? Steve? Jasmine? What's up, Jasmine? Good morning. What's up, Sovereignty? How's it going, everyone? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Everyone wanted me to do the streams a little earlier, so we're gonna try and do something. Maybe even sooner, maybe like 7:38 a.m. But we'll practice them a little sooner. What's up, Dave? Good morning, good morning. Yeah, it looks like we're pushing up pretty bullish at the moment right here. What's up, Andre? How's it going, everyone? But yeah, we'll see with the starting the live streams a little sooner. Alright, price is coming back down here. So we got the 5 TakeProfitTrader accounts. We got $2,360 in payouts after the fees last week. 3 payouts 3 days in a row. Then Friday we lost $400. It's okay. They're still live. We got a new 5 minute in 1 second. Still bullish. And yeah, guys, these accounts are still live. Anything above $2,000 we can withdraw daily. And then if we finish sooner, we can work on challenges. I got some Lucid Flex accounts ready to go. Brand new. So we can trade that for you guys. And try and get them funded and get some payouts. What's up, Jasmine? Venture capital, yeah, we're trying to do a little more earlier. Everyone on Friday wanted me to do the live streams earlier, so we're gonna practice that. Try to do a little sooner. I'm gonna try to do like maybe 7:30, 8 o'clock, maybe. I'll see how this stream goes. I went a little late today at like 8:20, but we'll see because everyone like trades earlier too, so it kind of makes sense. It's so early. I got my damn coffee. Let's go. Yeah, I want to see it like tap around here maybe. Still bullish, but we have news every day this week, I think. Every day except today, we have news. And also, we have been seeing bigger moves, obviously, in the earlier sessions as well. And then during my time when I trade, sometimes there'll be like really slow, choppy days, like on Friday. Like we had really good movement in the morning, and then it was just straight chop, like super small, bad chop. Let's go, Jasmine. Great job. Yeah, that 3-day payout is nice, Jasmine. Lock it in. Let's go. Venture capital, yeah. From market open to market close. Let's go. Dude, that'd be one hell of a stream. Hey, like one day we had like a marathon stream. Yeah. Market open to close. Oh, man. I mean, I'll be honest. I've done that before. Just normally trading, which is horrible. Oh, man. Yeah, bouncing up here, nice. 3 cups of coffee, food, energy drink. Chosen One, profit is profit, man. Lock it in. $85 is $85. That's good. Yeah, that's way better than being red on the day, right? 7 p.m. open. Nice, Jasmine. Yeah, people have been trading gold. MyFundedFutures restricted gold and Alpha Futures did over the weekend. The metals. So just be wary if you guys trade that. Seiko, you got 53K in payouts? Holy crap. Dude, 53K payouts, dude, Sacred? That's fucking awesome, man. Congratulations. 4 weeks? Dude, Sacred, if you made that, that's like, what? Almost a yearly salary for some people. You made it in a month. It's fucking crazy. Yeah, Ricky, I am kind of working on that. That's why I'm working on trimming and stuff. But yeah, sometimes I do need to get like full exits and stuff like that. Yeah, there is some times where I'm like, I could have locked in a lot more gains. You're right. Yeah, I definitely need to work on that. But that's why we're trimming and stuff. Sacred, great job, man. 53K, yeah. 6 years, yeah. See, people think, oh, you just got lucky 1 month. But it's like, that's 6 years worth of work you put in, right? So, that's what people don't see. They say, oh, you see you getting all these payouts, all this, that. But they don't see all the hours you put in, all the nights you studied, all that, back tested, all that stuff. All the days that you blew up and you wanted to quit. They never saw that. Oh, Sacred, yeah. Yeah, I wanted to quit a lot of times too. Guys, if you never thought about quitting trading, you haven't traded enough. There was numerous times I'm like, am I really going to keep doing this shit? But I'm like, I'm too deep. And this year I'm like, I'm all in. I'm all in this year, guys. Alright, nice. Tapping right here near the highs. I want to see if it breaks it. We're going to 5 minute right here. Yeah, Dave. So, yeah, guys, the trailing drawdown stops on these accounts. Like, they start a trailing drawdown, but once you hit the buffer, it stops. So, I just can't let it hit zero now. So, see, I have $1,600 to work with. And what I like about the TakeProfitTrader accounts is they're not plus 100. Like, pretty much all the other firms are plus 100. And that's the extra $100 you get to work with, which could save you. But you just can't let it hit zero now, which is nice. What's up, Georgina? What's up, man? How's it going? I miss you too, man. We're back on the streams. But yeah, so this is nice. So it's static, so I can't let it hit zero. And then it updates end of day, which is nice. Yeah, Sacred. Yeah, it's like, you're either gonna do it or not. And then it's like, I was at the point where I kept repeating the same mistakes over and over. I'm like, why am I doing that? And I'm like, if you don't take this shit seriously, you're not gonna make it. I'm like, this is not, you can't be breaking your habits, doing bad habits, and breaking your rules and all that. That's not the, what is it? That's not like the path of a successful trader, right? So once I kind of realized that, I was like, this is not how a good trader would operate, right? He follows the rules regardless of win or loss, and that's the win. And I'm like, if I keep doing bad shit, like, it's not gonna work out. So that kind of helped with me too. All right, breaking the highs here. Nice bounce right here. Good job, Goth Boy. Hey, you followed your system. You slept in. You got some good sleep. And you didn't see a trade, so that's a win, Goth Boy. Remember, cash is king. Cash is a position, y'all. I keep forgetting about that. Cash is a position. If you don't see a trade, why should we force it? And you shouldn't. Or, damn, Nvidia's at $192. Last week it was at 170 a share on February 5th, 4 days ago. Wow. That's crazy. Every time it gets there, it kind of just pops back up. Like 170, 180 area, Nvidia. ES is ripping. Yeah, Gothboy, West Coast hits different. Like, right when market opens, I'm literally just waking up. I'm literally waking up. I literally got my alarm going off, and I'm like, I am not trading right now. Dude, this is market open. Look at that wick. Holy crap. That's a big wick. Damn. Dude, this is over a 100-point candle at market open. There's 120 points. Oh, man. Yeah, imagine dealing with this at market open when you're just waking up. No, thank you. Breaking that highs here. I should have entered a long right here. It's all good. 170, 180 area, Nvidia. Yeah, Gothboy, West Coast hits different. Like, right when market opens, I'm literally just waking up. I literally got my alarm going off, and I'm like, I am not trading right now. Dude, this is market open. Look at that wick. Holy crap. That's a big wick. Yeah, imagine dealing with this at market open when you're just waking up. No, thank you. Breaking that highs here. Should have entered a long right here. It's all good. Yeah, but we have news every day this week, so we have a decent movement for a Monday on a no news day, honestly. Falls Bitcoin. Yeah, Georgina. Oh, I bet, Goth Boy. Hey, man, that's good, though. You're starting a family. That's good. Yeah, I'm like, I want kids, but not at the moment. I don't know, like 1-2 years later. I definitely want them before I'm 30, obviously, for me. I just turned 26. 27, 28. That'd be kind of nice. Hey, we got a little casinator running around. I'm teaching him about charts. That'd be kind of sick. He got like little overalls on. I'm like, yeah. He's hanging out with the cats. Little casinator. Alright, new 5-minute here, 8:30. Two years of no sleep. Oh, I bet. Yeah. We got the baby on deck. Brace yourselves. If you cannot sleep for 2 years, don't do it. Don't do it. That's funny. But yeah, I still like longs, just waiting on an entry. Damn, I hesitated right here. That was a great entry. So my plan is trade these funded accounts first. Take a couple trades and then work on challenges or something. We could do another max funded series for you guys. We did the TakeProfitTrader max funded. Now we could do like Lucid or something. Max funded, guys. We're kind of in a big area actually on a 4-hour actually right now. Yeah, Dave. Yeah, I picked some of those up for 78 bucks. That's really cheap. That's a good deal. No activation fee. No consistency in the funded. People said they like the pro accounts better, but I'm looking at the flex and they're cheaper and I think they're better. I think the only thing with the pro is that you could pass in one day on the challenge, but then you have to deal with a 40% consistency rule in the funded, which matters. On the flex, there's no consistency rule on the funded. So I'm like, I'd rather just take it a little slower on the challenge and then have less rules on the funded, rather than just ripping the 50k pros and try and pass in one day. Because you can still pass in 2 days with the 50k on the flex. Yeah, 50% consistency rule. Yeah, I got 5 of those going now. I want to see if it taps right here at this 340 area or it comes back down to the 315 area. Rambo, yeah. Yeah, we're up early today, Rambo. I'm gonna try and live stream a little earlier for you guys. I'm trying to, because everyone on Friday was like, yeah, live stream earlier, like 7:38. I'm like, alright. So we live stream at like 8:20 today. 8:15? 8:10? I want to try doing them at 7:30. That's like an hour after I wake up. So it'll give me a little time to wake up. And at 7:30 we can still see some good moves. What was 7:30? Yeah, 7:30 you can see good moves. Josh, I don't have like a particular favorite, but I have like a batch of favorites. Lucid, TakeProfitTrader, MyFundedFutures, Tradeify. They're all good, solid firms. I don't always have like a particular like favorite. But with those firms, they're legit. They pay out. They have good rules. They're fairly priced well, like compared to all the other firms. Like these 5 TakeProfitTrader accounts, I paid $510 for on the challenges, and we got like a little over $6,000 in payouts. Well, that's pretty good. It's like a 11x profit, guys. Where else can you find like an investment that you can like 10x, 20x your money? That's crazy. I paid $510 for these, and I got $6,000 in payouts after the fees. That's crazy, and they're still alive. You know what I'm saying? Where else can you like do that? You ain't doing that in stocks. You ain't gonna, you make like what, 5, 10, 20% maybe. But you're putting up a lot of money, right? I paid $510 for these. $6,000 in payouts. You're not getting that on a regular stock or something. Crazy. John, I have not watched that. Thank you, Josh. Thank you, man. What's up, Zach? What's up, brother? Thank you, Rambo. Yeah, thank you, man. I really appreciate y'all. Yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. We do these live streams for free Monday through Friday, and I'm trying to do them a little more earlier, and then because everyone likes it earlier, and we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna try to stream for like 3 hours maybe. All my other streams were 2 hours, so I want to get used to the 2 hour stream, because sometimes I do get tired after the 2 hours. I'm not gonna lie, but I'll try to do it like a little longer, like 2.5, 3 hours, and who knows, maybe 4 hours. I don't know. We'll see. Tahuti, yeah, I like the 50k select on Tradeify, because also you got to make only $2,500. It's $500 less. That could save you guys. Eric, for me, I'd probably just go with the 250Ks, honestly. Easier to get to the buffer. You can copy trade them for free on Tradovate, like what I'm doing right now. Daily payouts above 2K. I just like the 50Ks. There's nothing wrong with the 150Ks, Eric. It's just up to you. If you like trading at bigger size and or want more drawdown, the 150Ks are good. But for the trailing drawdown, I found for me especially, I like the 50Ks. It's just easier to pass, easier to get to the buffer, and then I could take anything over daily $2,000 per account, which is nice. Elizabeth, we got the 5 TakeProfitTrader. These are 5 funded right here. Josh, yeah, we got 3 payouts last week. 3 payouts, 3 days in a row. Pretty nice on these accounts. So we lost 400 on Friday. We can request anything daily above $2,000, which is nice. What's up, Just Saying Right? What's up, brother? Bo, what's popping up for your copy trading? Great job, Zach. Let's go, man. Elizabeth, I just do breakouts, break and retest, bounce trades, and going with the trend, all with price action and levels on the 5-minute chart. I keep it simple. There you go, Zach. Yeah, Zach, on the TakeProfitTrader, if you just need to flip on the challenges, you can just trade 1 micro, which is nice. You can literally just trade 1 micro, and then it'll count. So that's what I like. What's up, Paint or Die? What's up, man? There you go, Zach. There you go. Nice shot, man. Let's go, Zach. Yeah, Painter Die, it happens, man. It's trading. It feels like annoying. You go until it happens. You just gotta get back up and move forward and learn from it and get better from it. You can't dwell on it and like beat yourself up. You're just gonna drag yourself lower and then make it worse, honestly. So yeah, just learn from it, move on, forget about it, and learn from your mistakes at Painter Die. Happy Monday, Just Aaron. I love Mondays. Guys, I love Mondays. Motivational Mondays. It's like, I hate Fridays. I can't trade anymore. Now what am I going to do all day? Nah, it's good to take a little break. Yeah, Eric, it's way easier to pass. I like the 50Ks. And think about it, Eric. On 150Ks, you have to get to $4,500 before you can take your first withdrawal. You know, if you had that on the 50Ks... you could have took $2,500 each on those two accounts already. Think about it. That's $4,000 after the fees. Rambo, yeah. MyFundedFutures live account, they put it all in one big account. I wish they did multiple accounts like the other firms. They should be doing that, honestly. But yeah. But Rambo, if you're you're in a live account with them, don't give up on it. You could still take daily payouts. And then after like 20 winning days, you can withdraw the whole amount, I think. So yeah, don't give up on that account. Yeah, never give up. Never give up, Zach. Josh, if you make 10 grand in a day per account, they'll move you to live. And I think I've been hearing people that if you make 10 grand overall per account, they'll like move you to live. If I'm pretty sure with TakeProfitTrader, I think it's if you consistently do good or you make 10 grand in one day on one account. So if I made 10 grand per account on these, I'll get these 5 moved to live. But we're not gonna do that. Abo, you cannot do bracket orders on Tradovate when you're copy trading, Abo. You can only do buy and sell orders like this when you're copy trading on this, Abo. That's the bad thing with Tradovate. Alright, bouncing right here, pushing on making new highs of the day. It's so early, we got my coffee ready. Yep. Yeah, Painter Die. Just learn, like, don't get tilted, don't get frustrated on your funded accounts. If you're doing good on the challenges, guys, and then you're, like, blowing up on the funded accounts, do the same exact thing. Don't change anything. Same thing, same process. If you did the same thing and made, like, 3 grand on the 50K account, you can get a payout locked in. So, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Sometimes people go crazy and they go like, "Oh, I gotta completely switch everything and do this and do that." But it's like, because there's people that say like they pass like hundreds of like 100 evals, but they only got like 1 payout or no payouts. But it's like if you do the same exact thing on your evals and it's working consistently, like then it should be no problem on the funded, right? Same thing. I think it's just like a mind barrier thing that you think like, oh, because now it's real money on the line, right? It's just something to get used to. But it's fine. Yeah, cam trades. All the big firms, Apex, Top Step, MyFundedFutures, and Alpha, they're restricted to metals. Or they like really limited it down or something. So yeah, Cam. Hopefully they don't change it. But yeah, you can trade metals on TakeProfitTrader, which is nice. IVX. These are TakeProfitTrader pros, right here. Josh, yeah, they're all the same accounts on TakeProfitTrader, just different account size. They're all the same. They all trade the same. They're all trailing drawdown in the funded. They're all the same, just different account sizes and prices. But yeah, Josh, on the funded accounts, on the buffer, it depends on the account size. Like for the 50K, it's $2,000. Anything above $2,000, I can withdraw daily, which is nice. Let's go, Miguel. What's up, man? Yeah, looking pretty bullish still. I would not short this. That was a nice long... These are nice long entries right here, actually. Yep. Chosen one, you go on your left, and it says drawing tools, and then drawing tools hit horizontal line, and then you can like draw it. And then you can like drag it and move it around. Alright, we're breaking new highs of the day, pretty nice. We're pretty bullish. I would not look for a short here, honestly. Looking for a long, just waiting on a good entry. I don't want to just like FOMO in. Damn, this thing is ripping. Wow. Cali Sunshine, I'm down 400 on Friday. This is from Friday. We haven't taken a trade yet. But we took 3 payouts last week, 3 days in a row, and then Friday we lost $400, which is completely fine. It's part of trading. We went 0 for 3, and I'm like, I am not forcing it on a Friday. And yeah, so no trades yet today. Thank you, Miguel. Thank you, brother, as always. Appreciate all the support. K-Dream, no. Once you hit the trailing drawdown... So, guys, yeah, the trailing drawdown sucks on TakeProfitTrader, but once you hit $2,000, it stops. The trailing drawdown stops. And then you just can't let it hit 0. So it becomes static, and it updates end of day, which is the best. So I have these accounts alive as long as I don't hit $0, basically. And don't break the rules. Like trading news and stuff. That's literally it. So it stops. So it's very nice. So we did the hard part. The hard part is passing the challenges, because you need to trade 5 days. What is it? And then getting past the buffer on the trailing drawdown. Those are the two biggest, hardest parts. Then the next biggest, hardest part is keeping the accounts alive. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. So we're just trying to keep it alive and going. Well, we're just ripping the highs right here. Damn. We are not stopping. Nvidia's up 3.4% today. Pretty good. Damn, guys. Literally last week, Nvidia was $170. Damn. That's a good price. Let's go, Georgina. Georgina, is that on the TakeProfitTrader account? The 50K? I want to see a pullback maybe to this 360 area. Maybe to 340. I want to see how it reacts. Great job, Georgina. Lock it in. Get that account funded and get it to payouts. Let's go. What's up, Ryder? What's up, man? Damn, we're really bullish. Let's get the payout, Georgina. Kenji? These are the longest, honestly, I've had TakeProfitTrader Pro accounts, if I'm being honest. I had these accounts since the beginning of the year. Let me see how many trading days I locked in. Kenji, we got 18 trading days on these accounts on the funded. So yeah, these are actually the longest I've had TakeProfitTrader Pro accounts. Because before I was freaking trading minis on the 50Ks, and I'm like, you go on a little losing streak and you freaking lose them. That's why we're like, the micros, guys, it's pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie. I like the micros. Kenji, there was times where I blowed the accounts in the first day, honestly, on TakeProfitTrader. Because I was trying to rush to get to the payout. I was trying to rush to get to the freaking buffer, and then I would trade minis, like 1 or 2 minis. And then on the first day, I'm like, damn, I just blew the account. And I can't keep doing this. And then we're trading micros, and look, they're still alive, and we got 6 random payouts. Yeah, Ryder, it's annoying they up the prices, but it sucks. $20 is kind of a lot, though. Per account? Dude, that's $100 per 5 accounts. Kenji, just realize, like, it's so hard for me to realize. Small numbers add up. I realized I have a profitable trading system, but I was, like, trading too big of a size, like, on the 50Ks, like, 1 or 2 minis. And then I would literally... The damn bug. There was a damn, I'll go on a little losing streak, and then, since it was too big of a size, I'll blow the account. And then when I go back on the winning streak, I'm just like on the challenges or whatever, right? Where it's like if I size down and then I can withstand the little losing streaks, like 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, and then get it back on the winning days, my pro accounts are still alive. And they're still going. So it's kind of realizing that as well. Like, guys, $150 above the buffer, like, oh, $150, that's nothing. But then you're like, times 5 accounts, after the fees, that's $600. What job pays like $600 a day for like 1 or 2 hours of work? Not a lot. Very high paying job. Marina, no, there's no consistency on the funded once you pass them. There's only a consistency rule in the challenge phase, which is 50%. But on the funded accounts, you can have big winning days, which is nice. Oh, that's also a good reason. Yeah, they don't have a consistency in the funded. Well, we're just ripping new highs. There you go, Sacred. You see, if you respect your daily loss limit, it could work out. Even if you go on a losing streak. Great job, Sacred. And look, that's a massive sweep, Sacred. You almost blew your accounts from $500, and now you got like 53 grand in payouts. That's crazy. Great job, man. Sacred, are you trading 5 accounts on TakeProfitTrader? Damn, 53 rack. That's good, Sacred. Yeah, that is an insane run up. No, there was times where my biggest one was like I saved the account from like $200 from blowing the account or something, or 150. Yeah, $150 from blowing the account. Then I got it to the break even all the way to payout. I was like, what a comeback. Damn. That's impressive, Sacred. Great job, man. Only 1 to 2 minis. 550Ks. That's great, man. Great job. Yeah. Alright, still long. Just waiting for a pullback or something. No problem, Marina. Sacred, yeah. I mean, dude, like 1 to 2 minis per 5 accounts with that big of a buffer, $4,500. Like, yeah, like you got great winning days. I mean, 50 points on 2 minis is $2 grand per account. Good morning, Michael. Good morning. Good morning. Michael, I would not short right now, man. Alright, new 5 minute and 13 seconds. Alright, new 5 minute right here. Zach, last week? 2 weeks ago? I think 2 weeks ago? Yeah, 2 weeks ago. The one with the gray shirt. The very last short was, I think, 2 weeks ago. Yeah, around that. Thank you, Zach. Thank you. Yeah, it's crazy, Zach. That trade, there's a 50% consistency rule in the challenges, so I'm like, I'm not making more than 1,500, so I locked in at like 1,400 or something, and then the freaking, I would have kept holding if there was no consistency, or if it was like a no consistency funded account. Dude, if I caught that on these accounts, oh my gosh, it literally ran down over 300 points. I'm like, holy crap, pretty quickly too, like 300 points to the downside. Massive rip. Sacred, yeah. Yeah, see, they don't see the 6 years that you put in to get that 50 grand in payouts in 1 month. They don't see that. Well, I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Yeah, that's why I like to take ProjectTrader accounts, guys, because like once you're above the buffer, it's literally locked in to payout, and all you have to do is stop trading, and you have a guaranteed payout. It's kind of crazy. So great job, Sacred. Yeah, people, dude. Like the other firms, like 5-10 days. There's nothing wrong with them, but what's nice with the daily payouts is, like, hey, end of day, I can request like a $1,000 payout, for example. Cash in your hand. Alright, we got a new hour in 1 minute. I want to see where it wants to go. Close. This is like around the time I would start streaming, guys, so a little earlier. And I'll try to do a little earlier for y'all, around like 7:30 a.m., 8 o'clock a.m. PST. I'll try doing that for a little bit, see if it goes well. If it keeps going well and I like it, then and you guys like it, then I'll keep it rolling. Zach, this is the year, man. This is the year. Michael, where you from? 6 p.m. I know, Zach, yeah. Sometimes after the streams, I take like a 30-minute power nap. Those power naps help.
Order filled.
Or I'm going to take a long right here, continuation long. Tight stop, 10 points. Looking for a push up to the highs of the day. Catch this momentum to the upside. Overall trend is bullish still. I wouldn't look for a short. Gandalf, yeah, you can have multiple accounts on Tradovate. Just to logins and stuff. But if you want to copy trade Gandalf, you want to trade multiple firms, you have to use like Tradesyncer. You need to use like a third-party service or something. 10 points. Guys, is the volume better? Because I don't want to like keep hurting your guys' ear. Is the volume better for your the order filled sound, guys? Can you guys? Was it loud? Cause like yeah, it was really loud before, like really loud. The order filled. Volume's good. Okay. Thank you guys. Yeah, I lowered it into settings. People were like, dude, my ears are just like blasted. And I'm like, oh, my bad. I'm like, I'm not doing it on purpose. So, good thing that the volume's good. Poland. Right on, Michael. Thank you for watching, man, from Poland. That's pretty crazy, guys. We have a lot of people from around the whole world. East Coast, same area where I live. Other countries. It's freaking sick. Georgina, Morocco. That's sick. You're just like, did I really have a freaking order running? No, it definitely gets your heart racing. You're like, what the hell? All right, pushing up nice here. I want to see a continuation long and break the highs of the day and then continuation up. All right, good. The volume's good. Let's go. What up, Meeks? Good morning, man. Good morning. Yeah, 1K a day keeps the 9 to 5 away. We're at 15 points. Nice. Damn, ES is ripping too. ES is just ripping up. Pretty nice. We did make a new high on this candle, which is good. Really like that for continuation long. We're gonna lower our stop loss 6 points now. Lower our risk. Josh, yeah, I started like 50 minutes ago, 8:10. I might do sooner too, like 7:30, 8 a.m. because everyone's been saying to go earlier. So we'll see on that. But right now is the normal time. I'll literally begin to stream like right now. So because everyone wants to do this sooner, and I'm like, yeah, it kind of makes sense. A lot more people are trading as well. All right, liking this. It is making a new high, which is good, but I do not want to see a pullback. Alright, new 5-minute right here. Let's see where we're to go. $18 points. We're at 18 points at our peak.
Order filled.
There's a lot of hesitation right here, so I'm going to trim one off right there. It's just hesitating a lot right there, and I don't like it when price hesitates. We have our stop loss at break even now. So now this is a risk-free trade. Very nice. We trimmed one. We trimmed one micro. We got 4 micros left per account. 5 accounts. And our stop loss is at break even, so we'll see. If it hesitates a lot here, might have to... What the fuck is that? Do you guys see that? You guys see that? What was that? That was weird. I didn't like that. No.
Order filled.
You guys see that? It's like a glitch. But yeah, there's a lot of hesitation right there, so we just locked in a very small win. What is that? 11 points. Josh, I started at like 8:10 a.m. today, but I'll probably start it sooner, honestly. Probably like 7:30, 8 a.m. I'll try to do it. Christian, yeah, we're trying to get another payout, brother. Yep. I mean, we're only $300 away from the buffer, guys. That's only 30 points. I mean, we just cleared 11 right there. Trading on? No. No. Let's go, guys. Georgina, you're in a cell? Zach, no. Once you clear the buffer, it's nice. It literally stops. So once you hit the buffer, like I just can't let it hit 0, which is very nice. So it's static and ends up updates end of day. Yeah, Zach, that's the thing. Start with one account, guys. Start slow. Crawl, walk, run. You do good on that one account, guys. People like some guy was like commenting, he's like, "Oh, this is my first time with propfirms. I'm gonna get max accounts with this company. You think that's good?" I'm like, no. I'm like, dude, it's your first time trading, like, on a propfirm. Like, why would you get max accounts your first try? Doesn't make sense. I'm like, dude, just get one account, do good, make sure you can afford it. Don't be going crazy in debt and all that. Like, try one account. If it goes well and you get it to fund it and you get payouts with it, then yeah, then you can scale. Use the money you get from payouts to scale, guys. And then you build like a bankroll with it. Bankroll management. Bankroll management and risk management, guys. Very key, very key. Good morning, Shino fan. What's up, man? Yeah, Zach, you only deal with the drawdown when you first start, and that's the hardest part. Then once you hit like $2,000 on the 50K account, the trailing drawdown stops. So it's pretty nice. Yeah, so I would have to lose $1,710 to blow these accounts, which I do not want to do. Nice, Zach. Yeah, just rip it. Yeah. What up, internet? Good morning, man. What happened, Panda? Panda, you good? Sheena, yeah, we're gonna try to do a little earlier on the streams. Everyone on Friday was like, yeah, do them like earlier. So we'll try like 7:30, 8 a.m. PST start time. Trading on, we got 4 payouts on these accounts. So if we do get a payout, this will be our 5th payout per account, 5 accounts. It's pretty nice. So technically, guys, we got 20 payouts if you think about it. 4 payouts each on 5 accounts. I just say 4 payouts because I'm copy trading them. Or we're at the high of the day. I want to see if it breaks a new high and pushes up higher. What up? What up? What up? Money Dash, yeah. at my peak, when I started with propfirms, I was down like 20 grand in 2024. But that 20 grand I got back and 6 figures in payouts. So trading's hard. You know, like the results are not like completely like gonna happen, you know what I'm saying? But it just shows like the possibility. Guys, I was down 20 grand in 2024 with propfirms. Got it all back and got over 6 figures in payouts. Massive swing. Massive. Yeah, Zach, it kind of is true. We did get 20 payouts, technically. 4 payouts per account, 5 accounts. That is true. Yeah, internet, the Seahawks fucking crazy yesterday. Great job, Tommy. Let's go. See, you work on challenges while you get your payout processing? That sounds like a win, man. Nice, Meeks. Meeks, I would just go through the challenge phase again, honestly. If you're on TakeProfitTrader Pro, it's too expensive to reset them. That's just my opinion, though. Yeah, Tommy, that's good, man. Great job. Yeah, it's like, yeah, that was a big swing in my favor, but I just like locked in and just ran really well, and then I wasn't focusing on the money. 2025, I was literally just straight up focusing on the P&L. Horrible. 2024, I was like, I literally took what the market gave me. I literally followed my rules. Whatever the market gave me, I just took it. And also the payouts, I wasn't like looking for a number. I'd be like, oh, I had to make this amount to get this payout. I would literally just trade, and whatever the market gave me. But there's numerous times I broke a lot of my rules on 2024. Yeah, Meeks, it would be nice, but then it kind of defeats the person with their daily payouts. That's why they have that's why TakeProfitTrader has the 5 days during the challenge, because you can get payouts on day 1 on the funded. So they have 1 day pass, 1 day payouts. They'd probably go bankrupt. If they lowered it to 3 days, that would be nicer. Yeah, Money Dash, don't try and rush, man. Just lock in, just focus. Don't focus on the P&L. Just slow down. Take it easy. Yeah, there's no reason to force a funded account. Yep. Tommy, yeah, that's really what matters, is how much you're profiting. If you spend 100 grand on challenges and you get 100 grand in payouts, you're literally break even, so. Yeah, internet. Yeah, you guys gotta go into penalty box. You guys gotta go back to the gulag. I don't like resetting the pro accounts anymore. I realized it was kind of dumb and just too expensive. $650 to reset a 50K account. crazy. And then $1,500 for a 150K account. I'm like, oh my gosh, no way am I paying that. $1,500 for a reset on a trailing drawdown account? Hell no, I'm not doing that. Yeah, we gotta go back to the gulag, boys. Dude, you could literally get 6.5 50K accounts for that price of that one reset. So you could just take it slow for a week, and then you could have 5 funded compared to that 1 funded. You know what I'm saying? So that's just my thoughts. Go back to the gulag and take it slow and go back to the challenges. The pro account resets are just so expensive. If they were like $300, I would pay that. But $650? Nah. Tradion, yeah. Yeah, drawdown is completely normal. Just how you deal with it. Oh yeah, internet. Yeah, the rapid accounts guys on MyFundedFutures, they're basically the same as these TakeProfitTrader, and you can pass in 2 days, and they have a 90-10 profit split. It's pretty good. I gotta get me some of those. Good morning, Twain. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, I love the gulag. You guys gotta fight your way back, guys. You gotta earn it. You can't just buy yourself back in like that. You gotta earn it back. No, yeah, $1,500 is freaking absolutely astronomically ridiculous. $1,500 for a 150K reset is. I'm like, who the fuck is paying that? $1,500. 5 accounts, that's $7,500. Nah, I'm not doing that. $7,500, what the heck? And then you blow it on day 1. Oh man, I'd be so pissed. So pissed. Because guys, when you blow your funded account, what are you doing? You're annoyed, you're tilted, you're pissed off. You want to get your funded account back. You know, they're preying on your emotion. Like, you're just tilted, you're not thinking correctly. Oh, let me just reset my funded account right here, right now. $650. Okay, I'm back to trading. Then you're trading emotionally, you're not thinking right. Now you're just focusing on trying to get your money back. Getting past the buffer. It's like, just go back to the gulag, guys. Okay? Just take it slow. Yeah, there's no reason to reset it. Yeah, if it was $300 to reset these accounts, and I blew them, I would buy that, honestly. $300, because it's $100 for the challenge anyways, so it's like you can pass it right away and just get them funded again, and you can get back to trading. But $650? No, that's too much. Yeah, Money Dash, the select plans from Tradeify are nice. I like that you can choose your option. Yeah, Meeks, it's a lesson learned, man. See that 2,500? That could have gone to like 25, 50K challenges, you know? Yeah, it's just a lesson, Meeks. You can't dwell on it. You gotta live with it. I reset pro accounts in 2024 with these. But then I realized it's kind of dumb and it wastes so much money. Yeah, you get to go back into the funded account quicker, but it's like, it's so expensive. It's not worth it. Yeah, Michael, that is the plan. All in, brand new reset. Guys, I just dropped $3,250 on 5 account resets. I'm just gonna go all in. Gotta make it back. No, go back. Dwayne, yeah. Revenge trading, tilt trading, pissed off trading. Everything trading. Trying to get my money back. Hey, trying to get my money back trading is the worst. Man, I'm just trying to get my money back. Shit. Oh, that's the worst. You're all tilted, pissed off. I'm trying to get my lick back. Shit. Rex, yeah, they keep you funded, but it's like they're just so expensive. It's like $650 to reset one pro account. You could get 6.5 challenges for that. Crazy. That's a good daily loss limit beyond limits. That's what I have. I have like a $300-400 daily loss limit on these accounts. That's a good one, beyond limits, because it gives you room to work and stuff. All right, new 5-minute right here. What's up, Bonnie? What's up, man? Cody? No, I have not. Yeah. Okay, you're like, you're all pissed off. You're like, I want my money back. And the prop firm is like, yeah, we want to see him like that. Yeah. The prop firm wants you to be like that, guys. They want you resetting it. They want you to try and get your money back. Because they know that you're probably going to blow it and go crazy and do some dumb shit. And then they just pocketed your 650. Come on, guys. We got to think outside the box right here. This is the box. We got to think outside the box, okay? We got to be smart. We got to be sneaky. We got to be quick. No, we don't have to be quick. We got to be patient. We got to be sneaky, patient, disciplined, and have a plan. You guys got to have a plan. You guys can't just go all in there, guns out, hey, without a plan, right? Come on. Yeah, the prop firm's like, yeah, we want you to try to get your money back. Yeah. Oh, don't forget that $650 reset. Yeah, funded account. You can trade it right now. Yeah, they're licking their chops. Revenge trading strategy. Yeah, we gotta get the my money back strat, where all you're trying to do is get your money back. Oh, that's the worst. You're like, don't do it, guys. Don't do it. Yeah, Sacred. It makes literally no sense, especially on a trailing drawdown one. I'm like, nah, because the 150K pro accounts, like on Tradeify, the Lightning funded, are like what? How much are they? Like 500, 600? I don't know, something like that. I know the 50Ks are like 350. So it's like, you guys, you could get an instant fund account at other places cheaper. The only thing you got to deal with is the 20% consistency rule. So it's like, why? Yeah, you got to be very picky. Yeah, we got to turtle soup the prop firms, guys. We gotta moon title their ass. We gotta incoming tide their ass. Yeah. Let's go, Faye. Good job, man. First eval, let's go. Take it slow on the funded, though. Take it slow. There's no reason to rush. No limit Rex. It depends on the prop firm. Only some prop firms allow you to do pro account resets, funded account resets. It depends on the prop firm. But some of them do have it. Like Top Step has it. TakeProfitTrader. I think MyFundedFutures has it too, I think. I think they have it on the 50Ks. I don't know. Or they have it with all. I don't know. Tracks NYC. I want my money back. Alicia, yeah, but it's like $650, and then it's like you can literally get a whole set of 5 for cheaper. Get it slow. Yeah, the only thing you do is pass the 5 days. But then you're not thinking correctly when you're reset a funded. It's just too expensive, in my opinion. Shino, unfortunately, yeah. Unfortunately, yeah, I have done that. It's like, why? Faye, yeah, lock it in, man. Lock it in. Zach, yeah, it's right here what Money Dash said. It's $2 per point with 1 micro per micro. And then $20 per point for 1 mini for NASDAQ. Zach. What Money Dash put in the comment. Alright, I'm going to do 5 minutes in 10 seconds. No problem, Zach.
Order filled.
Alright. I'm gonna take a long right here. Trend is still up. But yeah, we're just looking for a push up to the high of the day and probably make it break a new one. Price is coming back down here. Don't like that. I'd really want to see it like just go back up. But that's why we have our stop right here below this, because they could bounce right here at this 83 area. Yep, no problem, Zach. Meeks, okay, oh, coming back down here. Meeks, 4 ticks is in 1 point. So for 1 mini, 1 tick is $5. If that makes sense. Yeah, 1 tick is $5 for 1 mini. And there's 4 ticks in 1 point. Just tap my stop loss. No bueno. Go back. Go back up. Go long. I want my money back. Come on. You're all pissed off. I want my money back. Guys, did you see that? I literally tapped my stop loss. Damn. Wow. Everyone, y'all think it's going short? The trend is still bullish. We're still bullish. Yeah, it could make it like a thing right here and then reject and make a reversal, but though at the moment the trend is still bullish, in my opinion. My opinion. Damn, everyone's fading my trade right now. Everyone's fading my trade. We're gonna do the opposite of what Casinator does. Then you can have a winning strategy. Everyone's in short right now. What the heck? Oh no. No. Oh no. Go up. Go up. Wow. Guys, it is teasing us right here. It is teasing us. Go up. Yeah, go up. Kind of hesitating a lot right here. I don't like that. Yeah, they're fighting. They're fighting right here. Guys, we're still in this. Everyone's fading my strategy. Whatever Casinator does, just do the complete opposite. Guaranteed payout. Fuck no, we're not doing that. Yeah, we got a new 5-minute right now, new 30-minute. Let's see. Bullish, go. Yeah. Come on. NQ. We are still in this, boys. Boys and girls, we are still in this trade. Oh my gosh, that was a hard rejection right there. Yeah, I should probably get out at a small loss, honestly. NQ, come on. Yeah, I mean, the fact that I was in this trade in drawdown the whole entire time, like, I was literally straight in drawdown, which I don't like. I don't like that. No. Wow. Did you guys see that again? NQ, no, don't do it.
Stop filled.
Oh, man. All good. We had one winner and one loss. Yeah, I did kind of FOMO in right there. I was still looking for a long bounce right here, but then a better entry would have been right here at this 380 area. Yeah, the better entry would have been at the 380 if I waited it down. I was in drawdown the whole time, but it's all good. We got one win, one loss. Only down 70 bucks. Never give up. Hey, go back to sleep. Freaking cat. No way. Guys, bull flag? Is this a bull flag? No way. Alright. Everyone was trying to fade my long. Let's see where everyone wants to go. No way. It's coming back up. Alright, where are we going, everyone? Where are we going? Long? You guys still think long? It is making lower highs right here. And we did have a massive rip up this morning. I mean, we're up 400 points from market open. And what we've been seeing, guys, is a big rip in a direction. It'll kind of consolidate and then make a reversal. So that's what we got to be a little cautious about. Wow, 75% still long. Yeah, I like going with the trend, overall trend. So that's why I took a long right there, but yeah, like I said, a better entry would have been this 380 area. Boom. Champions. Hey. It is still making that lower low. A lower high, I mean. Alright, we got a new 5-minute right here. Oh, 36% short now. I think right here is the big test, this 390 area. Wow. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, way better entry would have been that 380 area. Even if I had that stop loss, I wouldn't have got stopped out. I would have been still in this trade if I got at that 380 area. Unreal. Ugh. Mm-hmm. 67% long, 29% up, to short. Yeah, guys, it was a false breakout. Look at that, false breakout. Reverse back up. Exactly, Zach. Yeah, we controlled the loss. It's okay. And I realized a lot of my trades, like 2 of my trades on Friday, I was right. Just got stopped out, and then it ran up in my favor like 20, 30 points. Crazy. So we gotta wait on better entries. Higher time frame, Mr. Like the 4 hour? Shino fan, yeah, if we continue long, we can definitely hit that 435. I mean, we're not that far away. We're only 45 points away. 40 points. Mr. Shits, just the way I do the 4 hours, kind of like it like. See this area it's at right now. It kind of rejected off a few times, like right around here, and then it bounced right here. So what I do with these bigger levels is like I'm just like a little more cautious of trading around them. Like if I see like a close above here, I would like that for a bullish long, like continuation up. But then I gotta be careful of a rejection here, which I did a few times over here and stuff. So just like stuff like that, kind of where it's at right now actually. But if we still continue long and close above it, I mean that's a nice huge gap up to the upside. And then especially because we're at 25,400 area, like we've been hitting that 26,000 area and upper 25,000s pretty frequently. Wow, look at that dump, guys. Is it like a false breakout into a false breakout into a false breakout? Did you guys see that? False breakout to another false breakout, back down to the downside for a breakout. False breakout into a breakout, which then breaks out into another false breakout, which correlates with the breakout. Are you guys seeing this? Alright, I want to see if it actually wants to bounce here again. Because it bounced here a few times. Or it actually wants to fall short. This is kind of a weird area right here. We had like it wanted to go short. Then it popped right back aggressively. And then it come right back down. So this is kind of... When these weird areas, I think that if we don't know where it's going... You know what the best thing to do is, guys? Is just wait. You can just wait. Right. What are you doing? You can just be patient. Yeah. Chop. Chop. After we see a big move, we've been seeing chop. False breakout into another false breakout into another false breakout, which correlates with the breakout. Wow. Unreal. Yeah, this is the Ninja Turtles right here. We're turtle souping the turtle soup. Yeah, exactly. Therefore, we should stay cash. I mean, we entered a long right here and got stopped out, so kind of a tricky area. I don't know. I did kind of FOMO in, I'm not gonna lie. But I could have gotten a better entry where it's at right now, at that 380. Patience. Patience is the key, young one. Without patience, there is nothing. Well, Billy Bands, if you see your setup, you should just take it. But, yeah, but patience will pay off in the long run, in my opinion. I'd much rather be like a sniper trader and like take 1 to 3 good trades a day than be like all over the place machine gunning, going crazy, taking like 10, 20 trades. So stressful. Yeah, just wait for your setup, and then if you see it, take it. If you don't take it. Cash, guys. Cash is king. Well, it is coming back down here, but we'll see. I don't know. It's making lower highs. Smoking lower levels down. ES is kind of coming down. Faye, yeah. Guys, we gotta be careful here. This could be another false breakout. All people are... Oh, let's go short. False breakout. Make a wick. Push up higher. Make another false breakout. Then consolidate. Look, it kind of did that. Look, it kind of like made a new low. And just popping right back up. We cannot let our strategy do the strategy on us. We cannot let the turtle be the turtle. We gotta be the turtle. We gotta eat the turtle soup. We cannot be the turtle in the soup. We gotta recognize that, guys. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, the best thing to do is just stay cash. All right, new 5-minute right here, 9:45. Oh man. Beyond limits, that turtle is caught, man. He is caught. He's stuck in the plastic. We gotta save the turtles. Hey, you see them drinking boba with the big ass straws, and you're like, hey, you're killing the fucking turtles, man. Stop drinking that shit. Save the turtles, man. Stop hurting the turtles. Use reusable straws. Well, I mean, the boba straws, they're like freaking thick. I like turtles. Yeah, I do like turtles. Dude, they're just chilling, man. They're just chilling, minding their own business. This is not a turtle, but this is very similar. It looks like a turtle. It's the same color as a turtle. It's a money duck. Look at this. See that? He looks like a turtle. What's up, Dabda? Good morning, man. Good morning. Good morning. Oh yeah, yeah. If you have a hot beverage, yeah, it's really bad. It literally melts the plastic, and then you're drinking that. You're getting all these damn microplastics in your system, guys. Got these damn microplastics in your balls. You can't be drinking that. Yeah, shout out to Miguel. Miguel commented on my post. He's like, stop drinking the Keurig. The Keurig, you're heating up the plastic, and then the plastic's going in your coffee. Then you're drinking the coffee. And I'm like, I've never fucking thought of that. And I'm like, oh, no shit. So I changed the coffee now. No more K-cups. And I'm like, that is smart. Well, now it's forming a new low, which is good for our shorts. Looks like it's going. Faye, yeah, that actually, yeah, yellow duck, green dollar signs. Bobby, yeah, that's what we're trying to do the live stream a little earlier. I'll try doing it at 7:30 a.m. tomorrow, guys. 7:30 a.m. start time. We'll see how it goes. Because we've been seeing good moves earlier in the morning, and during the time at 9 to 11 a.m. PST, lunchtime, it kind of slows down. Yeah, it's a profitable duck, guys. Good job, Michael. The plastic must be great in Poland, man. They don't have a lot of plastic there, yeah? Oh, that's actually a great idea, Zach. Hey, Faye, guys, those are great ideas, actually. Yeah, because the plastic K-cups, I realize, yeah, you're heating up the K-cups, and it's getting all heated plastic in your drink. And I'm like, I can't be drinking that. It's horrible. A metal K-cup, guys. You guys are smart. See, this is why I like doing these streams, guys. We get to talk and chat, and we all become better as a community. So thank you, guys. Guys, you see these false breakouts? It's like trying to push lower, but then it's not. Yeah, Faye, unfortunately. Literally every store you walk into now, they have to say on the frickin' thing, may cause cancer or has harmful reproductive properties on the thing. Hey, peace out, Rambo. Thanks for tuning in, brother. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you, man. Alright, new 5-minute right here. Guys, you see this is like popping up and then it's falling short, then popping up then falling short. Very interesting. I mean, we have 47% going long still, and then 28% short, then 26% chop. Huh. Very interesting. Let's see if it wants to make a new low, like on these candles area. See, that's kind of wicking and making a new low. Right here, new low, new low, new low, making higher lows. Yeah, Faye, it's 25 micros total. So 5 micros per account, 5 accounts. Yeah, it's bouncing right there. Very interesting. 370. Well, we have news every day this week except today, so we might see some better movements, maybe. I don't know. This week. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, it gets time getting used to. Like, I'm pretty comfortable trading one mini, too, but I was thinking, like, long-term for these accounts, it's probably not the best. Because if you go on a little losing streak, I could blow these accounts. Like, if I didn't switch to micros, I could have blown these accounts. Maybe. Faye, I got 4 payouts already per account on these accounts. 6,000 total. So what is that? It's like $1,200 each after the fees. They haven't asked me to move to live, not yet. I think I need to make more money consistently before they do that. But if they do say you're moving to a live account, Faye, yeah, you're pretty much forced to. I mean, the live account is good with TakeProfitTrader. You can have 5 Pro Plus accounts, so 5 live market accounts. You could still copy trade them. They're a 90-10 profit split now, so you have an extra 10% in your pocket. And you can still take daily withdrawals, so I honestly wouldn't be mad if I got moved to live, honestly. with this firm. That'd be kind of cool. Copy trading 5 live accounts. Or we're going to do 5 minute and 1 minute, and then a new hour and 6 minutes. We're kind of playing mumbo jumbo at the moment. Yes, Michael. Yes. Absolutely. Faye. No, there's no consistency rule in the funded with TakeProfitTrader. It's nice. The consistency rule is only in the challenge phase. It's a 50% consistency rule, Faye. So it's not bad. Yeah, so it's pretty good. I want to see where this 5 minute wants to close. Or a new 5 minute right here. Steve, you can't be greedy, man. Guys, lock into small days. You can have good money making micros. 4 minis? Crazy. Steve, is that with one account or like are you copy trading that? Faye, MyFundedFutures is great. Great firm. TakeProfitTrader is good firm. If you're good with the trailing drawdown. Tradeify, Lucid, they're all good firms. I like those. 4. Nice, Zach. Yeah, we're pushing a little lower now. Looks like we're kind of making a reversal. What's up, Anas? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Nice, Reno fan. Anas, pretty good, pretty good. 1 loss, 1 win. Steve, lock it in, man. 1.4K on 5. Bro, that's like... Dude, that's like $5,600 after the fee, man. Steve, you're done for the day. Steve, literally lock it in, man. That's a $5,600 cash in your hand, bro. All you have to do is stop. Literally stop. Yeah, we're breaking down lower. I'll be right back. Yeah, we're pushing down lower. Damn. Meeks. I'm not sure, honestly. It depends. What I like about these is, yeah, it's trailing drawdown. It sucks, but there's no consistency. Like Tuesday last week, I made like almost $1,000, and if I had a consistency rule, I wouldn't have got that payout. You know what I'm saying? So it's a double-edged sword. It depends on you and your trading style. Nice, Tommy. Let's go. Yeah, Steve. Great day, man. Lock it in. Great job, Steve. Steve, that's a lot of money, bro. Dude, that's a month's worth of pay for a lot of people. That's more than a month's worth of pay for a lot of people. You just made it 1 day, Steve. Think about it. That's cash in your hand. Yeah, lock it in. Steve, hit that X, man. Hit that X. Alright, we got a new hour and 10 seconds. Faye, I know, he's crying at the door. He keeps trying to get outside. I don't know why. But I think food is the least of his worries. He's 18.5 pounds. He's a big cat. He just wants to go outside, but he's being a big baby. The other cat, she's fine. She's chilling. She's on the hammock. Hey, Poncho, come here. Come on, why are you crying? You're being a big baby. Faye, I think this cat is I think he's got enough food. We got him like chicken, duck, beef. He lays right here, so sometimes if you hear purring, he's right here. Yeah. Yeah, he's a freaking little lion. He's like a little bunch. Look at all this damn hair. I have to lint roll every time I go out. Yeah, guys, I have a freaking lint roller in my car, my freaking house, everywhere. The second I pick him up, I got hair all over me. Yeah, cat food ain't cheap, guys. Yeah, he's literally a little albino lion. Yeah, internet. After I catch the fish, I just give it to them and they eat it. They go like full survival mode. Hey. Yeah, he's being a little shit right now. We call him shit ass. We have like so many nicknames for the cats. And then there's like a meme. It was like when you give your so many nicknames to your pet that they don't even know what to be called anymore. Or we're kind of bouncing right here, but at the moment it kind of fell short really hard. Yeah, I'll give him a whole salmon. It'll last him about an hour. I want to see if there's like a reversal or it's just a pullback going short again. And that's a freaking beast of a dog. That's sick. That's funny. The dog's like, it's like a reward.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take a short right here, kind of retesting this area, and a little drawdown right away. Not looking that, but not that much. Only down 2 points. I'm looking for a short here. Kind of entering on a pullback. Well, that's not good. $30 seconds for a new 5-minute. $15 seconds. Three, two, one. All right, new 5-minute right here. Nice. Nice push. You can definitely tap this 340 area, and then if it breaks that, we could see another nice rip down to the downside.
Order filled.
I'm trimming one right there because the fact that it, guys, it literally freaking tapped my stop loss again. Do you guys see that? It literally tapped my stop loss again. So the fact that we almost got stopped out to now being in profit is a big swing. Yeah. It's kind of hesitating right here. Come on, NQ, drop that shit. Come on, drop it. No, you're not dropping it. You're bringing it back up. That's not good. Nah.
Order filled.
I'm gonna get out of break even, honestly. I only profited like 40 bucks on that trade, but the fact that I literally almost stopped me out and I was in drawdown right away and then it ran down to break even into profit, I'll just take it, honestly. I'm not gonna go crazy. We're only down 35 bucks. Yeah, the fact that I almost got stopped out, I did not like that. And yeah, kind of formed a higher low right here. And that was an aggressive push up right here. So, kind of reasons why I don't like that trade. Nice, Michael. Guys, you guys think I should take one more trade on these accounts? And then whatever happens, like win or loss, we're done? Or we work on challenges right now? Because we're only down 35 bucks. We're basically break even on day. One more trade. One more trade. One more trade. Switch. Well, sometimes when I end up like break even, like one win, one loss, and I'm break even on the day, generally I will take another trade, honestly. Most of the time. Yeah. Alright, I'll take one more trade on these, and then, yeah, win or loss, whatever happens, we're probably going to be done on these accounts. Then we can work on something else. Yeah, Shino, yeah, as long as we're practicing good risk management, I think we're good. Yeah, because we're only down 35 bucks. That's literally break even. And it looks like it's trying to push that back long here. Yeah, guys. Yeah. Okay, good thing we got out that trade. Okay, I'm very happy we got out that trade. One more trade. One more trade. Steve, no. Josh, not over trading. Yeah, we took 3 trades today, but 1 win, 1 loss, and 1 break even, basically. So I'm okay if I take 1 more trade, honestly. All right, we got a new 5-minute, 3 minutes. You guys think we're going back long? Eisen, it's just simple, nothing crazy. Just if I Don't over trade. Don't over leverage. If I see a good setup, take it. Try not to force trades. Follow my good risk management. Stuff like that. It's just like basic good principles in trading, you know. Yep. You guys still in your long? Oh, you guys are going long, yeah. We are long, boys. We are long. 43% long, 31% short, 26% shop. T-spells, you have to go in your chart settings. And then it should be your fills in order, I think. No. Alright, here. T-spells, you go to your thing, go to chart settings, go to your price levels, and then show P&L online. Huh. Rip down. No problem, T-spells. Kind of coming back down here. It's kind of rejecting off this 383 area. Again. Very interesting. 25,530. Right on M5, thank you. Guys, I'm excited. We got back and arms today. Back, biceps, and everyone's favorite forearms. We gotta get the Popeyes going. Popeyes. Popeye! Well, we're coming back down here kind of aggressively here. Let's go, yeah, let's go, Visual Dreamers. Gotta love Popeye. You gotta eat your spinach, boys and girls. Let's go, Steve. I love chest and triceps. I did that Saturday? No, yeah, you did that. Yeah, I did that Saturday. Yeah, I like chest. I like back and arms. Legs. It's okay. It's just okay. It's like, guys, you guys are doing legs wrong. Instead of doing like squats and hamstring curls and stuff and leg extensions, you guys need to be doing bench press, pull-ups, and dips. Like, that's what your legs days should be like. Like, you shouldn't be doing squats or anything on your leg days. It's not good. Yeah. Hey, who needs legs and cardio when you can do a chest and bench press? Ooh. Yeah. I didn't run last week, damn it. I didn't run. I did legs though, but I didn't run. I'm supposed to run at least once a week. I'm keeping myself accountable. 2-mile run a week minimum. Yeah, we literally have no news today, so it was to be expected. That's why I kind of want to do the stream sooner, because that's when we see the bigger moves. But we have core retail sales at 5:30 a.m. PST. NFP Wednesday, unemployment Thursday, and then CPI on Friday. So same thing, same concept. Looking for the bigger moves during the later in the week. So I mean, not bad for a Monday, honestly. Yeah, Stairmaster. I love Stairmaster. sleeve. You gotta wear, you gotta wear like the booty shorts, like the fucking shorts up to your damn thing. You're like, dude, are you even wearing anything? It looks like you're wearing your damn underwear or something. It's like, are you even wearing anything? No, what does look good though is like the teardrop muscle on your leg, on your quads. That one looks sick. And like a great exercise for that is the Bulgarian split squats. Oh man, you guys do Bulgarian split squats? Oh man, that's a great exercise. It's fucking hard. And you feel like shit. But it's a great exercise. Guys, some guy was like, how to probably do the Bulgarian split squat? And he put one leg up, then he grabbed the dumbbells and stood up and started doing curls. How to probably do a Bulgarian split squat. Coochie cutters? Yeah. Yeah, you guys gotta have like the booty shorts. with the Converses, you gotta have Converses with the high white socks. High white socks and the Converses with booty shorts. And like a straight up tank top or just a fucking hoodie. Just a hoodie. Yeah, the Bulgarian split squats are good. Hack squats are great too. My damn gym got rid of the hack squat machine. I was so pissed. I used to use that machine all the time. The hack squat is so good. They got rid of it, man. That thing worked great. Also, front squats are good for your quads. Leg extensions. Stuff like that. No, but I like doing gym. I like doing leg day in like shorts and like a hoodie on. I'm like freaking like sweating, like in the zone, listening to music. I'm just like, yeah. Dude, if I have the hoodie on in the gym, I'm like in the zone. I'm like, I just want to work out. Bobby, we're just chopping around here, brother. This is so choppy right here, man. Nvidia's just chopping. ES is just kind of chilling. Eddie Rod, yeah. Yeah, Taylor Swift or Lady Gaga. I'll listen to Lady Gaga. What's her name? Celine Dion. Lana Del Rey. Can't forget Lana Del Rey. I love Lana Del Rey. Hoodie, headphones. Yeah, guys. You guys snort some creatine before your workout. Snort some creatine. Jeez. Whoa. Do you guys see that? It's got fucking attacked. They got the zoomies. Because I'm like in a war zone. They keep like bouncing around. I'm trading. I'm like, oh shit, we're live streaming. We got so many things going on at once. Oh man. But yeah. Dude, hoodie on. Leg day. Lana Del Rey. Oh yeah, we're getting a good workout. Well, we just keep rejecting off this damn 380 area. We rejected out there like 4 or 5 times already. AKM, I used to have like 30 pairs, 25, 30 pairs of shoes, but then I'm like, I literally wear not even like 10 of them, so I sold a bunch of them. I'm like, it's just money sitting. Right now I have like 10 pairs, but it's just stuff I wear a lot. Because I realize a lot of the shoes, I'm like, I don't even wear them. Yeah, we are chopping around. I mean, RB Trades, I don't like be like, oh, if he listens to that, I'm not gonna like listen to their music, or if they have different beliefs. Like, everyone's different. Everyone has their own beliefs. Everyone has their own thing. Doesn't make anyone different. You know what I'm saying? RB Trades. RB Trades, Taylor Swift, we're just kind of joking around with Taylor Swift. I don't really listen to Taylor Swift. Lana Del Rey, I will sometimes in the zone. Jeez. Or I want to see if it wants to reject here again, which it's doing right now. Whoa! Wow, guys, I should have fucking shorted. You guys see that? You guys see that dump? Yeah, I guarantee you it was a Trump tweet. Holy crap. Dude, I was literally saying it's gonna reject, probably gonna reject here off like the 10th time. Damn. Well, we got some volatility now. That's some big moves. That was just a massive dump. Bounced right off here. Nice, Cat Adventure. That was a rug pull. Guys, people probably in a long right here. Yeah, they got stopped out, fortunately. But yeah, like I said, guys, I'm down to take one more trade because we're basically break even on the day. Perp. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, perp. Yeah. Oh my god, Dobda. Oh man. Yeah. Yeah. That was a big dump. Yeah, sometimes when it's just slow, choppy, it just like do like a massive pump or dump. Just random. But a lot of them are with like tweets and shit from Trump. 10 minutes. We got the feds on deck. Yeah, sometimes they're traps. It's a trap. You guys gotta worry. They're setting a trap. They're trying to stop you out. Or I knew 5 minutes and 5 seconds. Right on, Perp. Thank you, man. It really means a lot for using my code. Means a lot, man. Thank you. There you go. Up 1,200. Let's go. That's a great first day, man. Josh, maybe. I mean, look at that. I mean, that was just a massive dump. We're making lower highs. We kind of consolidated in this area. Now it looks like it rejected a lot. I don't know. Maybe. Yeah. Yeah, they're like they're watching our stream, guys. We got the market makers watching my stream, and they're all attacking us, man. The market makers are after us. We gotta have a 1 hour delay now. Yeah, that was a nasty red wick. Stopped out a lot of people in a long. Man, because, yeah, that was a big wick. Coming back down here. Yeah, they're selling off. There you go. Lock it in. Yeah, it's crazy what some candles can do, man. That's funny. Looks like it's trying to fall shorter, but I don't want to FOMO in. Michael, yeah, if you make 10 grand in a day, they'll move you to a Pro Plus live account, or if you consistently do good and the risk team likes it, and then they'll move you to live. So it's up to the risk team or making 10K in a day. All right, guys, we're only down 35 bucks. We're basically break even. One win, one loss, and basically a break even. Okay. We do have that 10:30 candle in a minute and a half, and we've seen a little volatility on that candle, so I would like to wait for that close, honestly. But it is falling short at the moment. No problem, Michael. Yeah, I think it'd be kind of cool to get 5 Pro Plus accounts with TakeProfitTrader. Like, imagine, like, yeah, we started a year with these accounts, and we got them from the challenge on our first try, passed, and then take a bunch of payouts and then get moved to live. That would be pretty good, honestly. I'd be pretty happy with that. Alright, 43 seconds. Five seconds. Alright. Not really a lot of movement on this candle. Oh, damn. Sellers are picking up right here. Huh. Yeah, I don't know. Looks like we might be falling back short. Especially with this aggressive red candle right there. Very interesting price action. Yeah, we're popping up back up here, but what we've seen is kind of like a pullback, and then it would just like rip on down again. So we'll see if it wants to be a reversal or actually wants to fall back short. Honestly, how it reacts to this 380 area because it rejected off here a few times. But this is a kind of a big Korean candle coming in. I just want to see how it reacts to this level. Alright, coming back up here. Well, it's kind of been just like funny business right here in this area. Like went up right in the middle of this area right here, but it rejected off this 380 area. That's why I'm kind of looking for entering maybe there for a short, but it's kind of hesitating a lot right here. But if we don't see a setup, I mean, I'll be happy with this, honestly. Only down 35 bucks. What's up, Brian? Good morning, man. Yeah, 1 win, 1 loss, and break even. Yeah, we're only down 35 bucks on the day. Nothing crazy. Alright, new 5-minute right here. Maybe we can see a movement on here. Tevin, is that a firm without a consistency rule? Brian, yeah, if I see another setup, I'll take it. If not, I'm pretty happy with this because there's no news today. and we have news like almost I think every day this week. So if we ended the day like this, I'm happy with that, honestly, especially for a Monday. It's not bad. Last week Monday we ended the day break even, and we ended up getting like 3 payouts 3 days in a row last week. All right, coming back up here. Tevin, sorry about that, man. Well, at least you got more drawdown to work with, I guess. That's the only bright side about it. But if it was like a no consistency one, yeah, that'd be nice to pass on your first rip. Doing good, Ashawn. How are you, man? How's it going? Doing good today. But yeah, guys, we'll do the live streams earlier. So tomorrow I'll probably start at 7:30 a.m. PST or 8 a.m. PST. Probably one of those two. I'll start a little earlier for y'all. So one of those times I'll probably start. Yeah, Tevin. It's all good. User Forex Factory. You can check on Forex Factory. Forex Factory has like pretty much all the news. It's pretty good and it's free. Yeah, we're kind of just right here in this middle area. We're practicing patience, y'all. Patience. Pain or die? Yeah, I do. If I see a setup, these accounts I'm only trading on stream, so these are my dedicated stream accounts. But if I see a setup and I got like other fundeds or challenges going, and I see it before the stream or after the stream, yeah, I'll take a trade. All right, new 5-minute in 40 seconds. But that's also a good reason if I start to stream sooner. So if I do take earlier trades, it'll be on stream for you guys. So that'll be nice. That's why I'm kind of trying to do that earlier. Right now I feel fine. I'm not really tired right now, which is good. In the normal stream, I would have been done only like after 2 hours. But today we're like at almost 3 hours, like 2.5 hours right now. So not bad. All right, new 5-minute right here.
Order filled.
Or I'm gonna take a short right here. Probably my last trade. Rejected off here a lot, and that was waited for a better entry. I didn't want to like FOMO in. Got a 15-point stop. Thank you, Zach. Thank you. Right on internet. Yep. Forex Factory is great for like the bigger news events. Paint or die. Yeah, this is what I worked. This is what I found over the years. What I've been working on. What's worked for me. I found it myself. I didn't learn it from anyone. I've always traded the 5 minute, even with options trading, and it worked for me. And yeah, I like it. And I find out what works for me. And if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Yeah, a lot of people get confused by this, like the way I trade in my levels. They're like, what are your levels? It's just what I call them and what I mark them out as. Zach, yeah, it does. Sometimes, yeah, I get pretty tired. I'm not gonna lie, after the streams, because you're trading, and trading uses mental capital, and then you're talking to the stream, and you're doing this, and you're doing that. Yeah, a family friend was like watching my stream. He's like, I don't know how you trade and like talk to the stream at the same time. He's like, I couldn't even do that. He's like, I can't even focus doing that. So yeah, it's pretty good. I'm getting used to it. That's why I wanted to start slow on the streams of the year. Like start like 1-2 hours, and we started doing 2-hour streams right off the bat. So pretty good. And then yeah, I'm slowly getting used to them. So then maybe we could do like 3-4 hour streams maybe if we keep it rolling. So I like that. What definitely helps with that is coffee and food. If I don't drink my coffee and I don't eat food before, oh man, I'm gonna get impatient, hangry, the whole 9. No bueno. Water's very good. Gotta love water. Well, right now in this trade, we're playing a lot of mumbo jumbo, but could still work out. Yeah, I like the stream schedule, honestly. I like talking to you guys. I like it. It's part of my daily routine now. And we're going to start doing the stream sooner now, so that'll be nice. Yeah, I would like to see a rejection like right now. This trade is still okay, but I want to see a rejection now. I do not want to see it break out this zone. That's what I don't want to see. That's why I have like a stop right here. If it does break up, I don't want to be in that trade because it could be a reversal. Nice, Dabda. Coming up here, not liking that. We need to see like a rejection like now. Kind of broke up, not liking that.
Stop filled.
Stopped out, all good. Not bad today, honestly. I still like that trade for a short, honestly. Rejected off there numerous times. Formed like an area right here, rejected off of. We were only risking 15 points. So we took 1 win, 1 loss, 1 break even, and then another loss. So, I mean, the fact that we're only down $180 on the day, $183, that's not too bad. So, kind of tricky price action in this area. That's where we got caught on the last few trades. And we have news every day this week, so yeah, I think we should preserve our capital and save it for like tomorrow. So yeah, I think not bad. I think we managed our trades kind of okay today. That what was it? Second trade, I should the first loss. I could have definitely waited for a better entry on. Honestly, I entered like up here, and I should have waited for a 380 area for an entry. But yeah, now it's kind of like forming an area right here. Yeah, I think we managed it pretty well, honestly, on a day like today. And that's what, guys, if we followed our rules and we lost on a day, That's a win, guys. We're only down 180 bucks. We're only down 18 points on the day. That's nothing. That's literally one trade. That's literally one good trade. Not even. That's one base hit. Yeah, so not bad for a Monday, honestly. Yeah, we can come back tomorrow or with all the news and preserve our capital. And yeah, and like I said, I'll take one more trade. We're break even on the day. Win or loss, we call it, and we're gonna call it right here on this. So yeah. That's a good question, Shino. I'll probably call it right now, actually. Yeah. Yeah, if you guys want it, if you guys got any questions or comments, let me know. And then we'll end the stream in like a few minutes. But pretty good stream, I think. Yeah, great way to start Monday. We started earlier at like 8:10 a.m. PST. We're going to start sooner, probably like 8 o'clock or 7:30 a.m. tomorrow and see how that goes. We've been seeing bigger moves and all that. And yeah, so pretty good, honestly. We managed our risk pretty well. One win, one break even, and 2 losses, and we're only down 180 bucks. That's literally 18 points, guys. That's literally one good little trade. Literally one good little trade. And yeah, I think we managed it pretty well. And we're not liking the price action at the moment, so we shouldn't force it. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Tevin, just size down and look for good setups. Take A+ setups and be good. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Kirk, yeah, Gingerbeard. Yeah, I got a little Irish in me. The Filipino Irish. Yeah, so pretty good stream, guys. Yeah, we managed our risk pretty well. Only down, guys, 18. Everyone's freaking out. Oh my god, he's down $180. Oh my god. Who fucking cares, guys? That's literally 18 points. And yeah, we can come back tomorrow stronger and better. So that's the name of the plan. And if you lost on the day and you followed your rules, that's a win. Pat yourself on the back. Don't focus on the PNL. If you're green on the day but you broke all your rules, that's a loss. Think about it. It's not a good. You're creating bad habits. Yeah, so thank you all as always. I'll see you guys on stream tomorrow. I'll try and do 7:30 a.m. 7:30 a.m. if not 8 a.m. PST, guys. So I'll do it a little sooner, and we can make the streams a little longer for y'all and make them sooner. So yeah, so everyone have a blessed, amazing day. Don't overtrade, don't over leverage. We have news every day this week, so yeah, there's no reason to force it on a slow, choppy range like this. So catch you guys tomorrow. Have a great day, and go work out, do something, go do some hobbies, do whatever, and yeah. So